About 230 health workers were gathered for the commissioning of Shims 3 2020 fieldwork. Shims is a survey that is a multi-country effort to create data for HIV pandemic. The Ministry of Health values the research. It is for that reason they found it important to commission the fieldwork once again. Shims 1 started in 2011, and then in 2016 there was second Shims. Then in May 9, 2019, Shims 3 was launched but paused because of COVID-19 pandemic. According to Dr. Vusi Makakula, the director at Ministry of Health, stated that the survey is not only beneficial for the Kingdom of Eswatini, but globally.
The Shims 3 2020 survey was officially launched by the Honorable Minister for Health and the U.S. Ambassador on the 9th of May 2019. The survey was paused in March 2020 due to the COVID pandemic, just before the data collection was about to begin. Ladies and gentlemen, let me clarify that Shims is now a brand for the Eswatini PHIA, and is why we have Shims 3 2020. Shims 3 2020 is a nationally representative survey in Eswatini led by the Ministry of Health in collaboration with ICAP at Columbia University and the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, and funding from the U.S. President's Emergency Plan for AIDS Relief.
Dr. Ruben Sahaba from ICAP stated that in Shims 3, approximately 12,000 men, women and adolescents 15 years and older will be invited to take part in the survey because HIV still matters.
Participation in the survey will contribute to improving health system policies and the program to address the HIV epidemic in Eswatini. In other words, conducting Shims 3 is a critical milestone and an opportunity for the country, as it will allow to confirm whether we are still on track towards the epidemic control. Colleagues, Shims 3 implementation teams, data collectors, allow me to mention that we are privileged to be part of this global effort through Shims and the FIA surveys for the reason I highlighted earlier.
Other organizations from the health sector were also present. I'm Nwehlanhla Twala reporting for Yemaswati Channel with Gary Carlos, Sibayin Lodge in Matapa.